Shalom, Gordon. Thank you so much for your video comment. I really liked it. And you were asking a great question about who is this angel talking with Joshua. So we, first of all, just to know something regarding angels, we don't quite know their names in most of the Bible. Only when we progress with time to the post-exilic period, we start seeing their names. So we can see that in the book of Daniel, you can see two names mentioned there. And even then, when they are, of course, they are in the Bible all over way before that, but not mentioned by their names. And even if they are asked for their name, they try to avoid telling so. So it's quite fascinating. And regarding this specific angel, who is this angel? So the Jewish tradition do give some kind of an idea to this angel, and the claim is that he is Michael, and you can see that if you go to Agadat Bereshit, you can, I have a link for you. It's simply DAAT, which is that, meaning knowledge, .co.il, and you'll find the library regarding this place. Anyway, if you're not sure about this link, I'll try to add it to as a written comment, so you wouldn't have to write it right just now. So I thank you so much for doing that. I really hope to see you again, Gordon, and all the best, and my berachot, and lehitraot.